Hey, I'm John Shute, recording artist, musician, and avid painter. After much research on how newcomers to the arts market started their own arts and crafts display, I went ahead and purchased most everything I needed for a starter pack on a budget. First off, I purchased a never-built white commercial canopy at a local Home Depot, based on the requirements for most arts markets. I've owned non-commercial canopies in the past, so setup shouldn't be that hard. The canopy includes a tarp that I'll be using on the back side of the tent to display my art. Got a mesh tarp and tarp clips from Harbor Freight to attach in front of the tarp. Got a curtain pole from Everbuilt that I purchased at Home Depot. Some carboneer side locks from Home Depot to hang the pole. After a couple of tries, I found the best placing for the pole in order to hang the mesh tarp. For now, I'll be using some zip ties in order to stabilize the pole. I also use zip ties to attach the tarp clips to the pole. Seems a bit wobbly. I'll probably take the clips off. The sandbags that came with the Everbuilt canopy seemed to be very cheap, and the top sealed with Velcro, which means that the sand could spill out of it. To resolve that, I purchased new shot canopy weights from Amazon. They happen to be twin bags, and the top seals with a zipper. I like the fact that they are white, so they match my canopy. I purchased a pair of Vigoro marble rock bags from Home Depot since sand could get through the zipper creases and cause problems. The weight seems to be right. Work it, work it, work it. These bags stand vertical, thus it prevents walking customers from tripping over them thick weights. I already had two foldable tables, one 6 feet and the other 4 feet. So I purchased a pair of colorful Ideal brand BDDC tablecloths. I chose spandex cloth because you don't want the wind blowing off your regular tablecloths and causing all your stuff flying all over the place. I bought this standalone grid at an estate sale. I highly recommend you download estatesales.com so that you can search out local estate sales where you can find things that you could use for your arts display. I also found this little tie hanger over at a local thrift store. For now, I intend to sell portable size prints of my artwork. So I purchased at Lowe's a pair of Style Selection brand collapsible baskets. And I found these clever little plate and picture stands that I can use to display some of my paintings. For the back display table, I purchased Make Market wooden crates at Michael's Arts and Crafts. I am adding a pair of portable mini air conditioners that I found at Ollie's Bargain Outlet as a special treat for my customers, creating a welcoming, cool environment inside of the canopy. My brand logo will be displayed on my easel. So far everything looks good. Now I will be tearing everything down and putting it away so that I can continue working on my paintings and crafts. If you like this video and my setup, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page. Thank you.